In this video, I want to show you how to update your Epson XP-7100. So let's get started right away. So on the display over here, what you need to do is simply swipe towards the right side like this until you see settings. Press on settings and now go down in this menu until you see firmware update. Select firmware update and then select the first option, which should be update. Start checking. Your printer, by the way, needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi. If you are on the last firmware update, you're going to have this message. You have the last firmware. No need to update. That's great. If there was an update available, you'll be able to click update, and usually it takes a few minutes. The printer will shut down, will power on by itself, and you'll be good to go afterwards. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.